Hello students, welcome to today's EVS class, lesson Bones and Muscles part 4. In this video, we are going to write book exercise and classwork, and also we are going to read all the Roman letters in the classwork. You have to follow me, read, and then you have to practice in the home also. Okay, let us get started. Now all of you take your EVS book and also pencil, eraser and sharpener. Sharp your pencils and get ready. Now take page number 42 in your EVS book. Have you all taken page number 42? Okay. See this exercise, checkpoint. Fill in the blanks. Read the first one. We have dash bones in our body. You all know, isn't it? How many bones do we have in our body? Tell me. Yes, 206 bones. We have 206 bones in our body. Write 206 in the blank. Write neatly, children. Next, read the second one. Dash are attached to the bones. Can anybody tell the answer? Yes, muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. Now write muscles in the blank. Next, take page number 43. Read, fill in the blanks. See the first one. The hard parts inside our bodies are called dash. Hope you all know the answer for this, isn't it? The hard parts inside our body are called? Yes, bones. Write bones in the dash. Second question is, there are more than dash muscles in our bodies. More than how many muscles do we have? Yes, the answer is 600 muscles. Third one, the dash and muscles give shape to the body. Muscles and what will give shape to our body, children? Yes, bones. Third one, answer is bones. Fourth one, dash in our body are all joined together. Answer is bones. Write bones in the dash. Then fifth one, dash is the way that we sit, stand or move. The answer is posture. Posture is the way that we sit, stand or move. Next, turn to page number 44. Exercise B. Write T for true and F for false statements. That is, if the statement is correct, you have to write T. If the statement is wrong, you have to write F. Shall we start? See the first one. We use only our bones when we swim. Whether is this correct? Whether we use only our bones while we are swimming? No, we use bones as well as muscles, isn't it? So, this is wrong statement, incorrect statement. So, write F in that circle. Next, read the second one. Bones and muscles are covered with skin. Yes, this is correct statement, isn't it? Bones are covered by muscles. Muscles are covered by skin. So, both bones and muscles are covered with skin. Correct statement. So, you have to write T. Write T in the circle. Next, read the third one. Good posture is important for our bodies to work properly. Always we have to maintain good posture, isn't it? So, third sentence is correct. So, write T inside the circle. Next, read the fourth one. The human body is made up of only muscles. While reading itself we can find out, isn't it? This is false statement. Human body is made up of many parts, not only muscles, isn't it? So, write F. No need to do exercise C. Leave it. Now, take page number 45, next page. Higher order thinking skills. Look at the pictures. How do you carry your school bag? Tick the picture. Do you think it is the correct way to carry your school bag? Why? Why not? See the first picture and second picture. Which is the correct way to carry your school bag? Now tell me, children. You will carry your school bag like the first boy or second boy? Yes, you have to carry your school bag like the second boy. That is the good position to carry your school bag. See the first boy, how he is carrying the school bag. He is carrying in the one side, isn't it? If you carry your bag like the first boy, you have to balance the bag weight in one side. This leads to bad posture, isn't it? ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாய் மாதிரி நீ ஒரு சைடே பேக்கை தூக்கிட்டு போனால் என்ன ஆகும்? பேக்கோட ஹோல் வெயிட்டும் ஒரே சைடு வரும். ஸோ நீ ஒரு பக்கம் சாஞ்சிட்டு நடப்ப. தட் இஸ் நாட் குட் போஸ்டர். அப்போது உனக்கு பேட் போஸ்டர் வந்துடும். சரியா? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கேரி யுவர் ஸ்கூல் பேக் லைக் த செகண்ட் பாய் ஒன்லி. டு யூ ஆல் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நெக்ஸ்ட் சி வேல்யூஸ் அண்ட் லைஃப் ஸ்கில்ஸ். See, it is like a small story. So, listen carefully and answer me. Okay. Raju is fond of games. In the evening, he goes to the park to play with his friends. On warm days, he goes for a swim. His sister, however, does not like playing outside. She prefers to stay at home and watch cartoon shows on the TV. Who do you think is healthier? Give a reason for your answer. So, what they are saying, children? Raju always used to go out and play with his friends. That is, he used to play outdoor games. But Raju's sister always sit and watch TV. Now tell me, who is doing the healthy thing? Raju or his sister? Raju only, isn't it? If you go out and play, your muscles will get strong. So, always have to go out and play. Okay. Now, write in the dash. Raju is healthier because playing outdoor games help to keep muscles fit and stay healthy. Write neatly, children. We have completed book exercise for lesson 5. Now we are going to write classwork. All of you take your EVS classwork note. That is C.W note. Have you all taken? Children, we are going to write classwork for lesson 5. You have to write very neatly. Okay. Now take fresh page, new page. Write page number and today's date, 27/8/2020. In the first line, you write lesson 5. In the second line, you write the title of the lesson, bones and muscles. B in bones and M in muscle should be written in capital letter. Then in the third line, you start writing terminology. Roman letter 1, terminology. See the first one, bones. B-O-N-E-S, bones. Second one, muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Third one, shape. S-H-A-P-E, shape. Now start writing the fourth one. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Fifth one, cyclist. C-Y-C-L-I-S-T, cyclist. Sixth one, swimmer. S-W-I-M-M-E-R, swimmer. Seventh one, exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Now take the next page and write eighth one, poster. P-O-S-T-U-R-E, poster. Ninth one, health. H-E-A-L-T-H, health. Tenth one, proper. P-R-O-P-E-R, proper. That's all. You have completed terminology. Now leave one line and write Roman letter 2. Name the following. Name some exercises. You have to write the answer one below another. Walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Jogging. J-O-G-G-I-N-G, jogging. Cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G, cycling. Swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. If you don't have space, take the next page and write skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. Next, leave one line and write second name the following. Leave one line and write. Name some joints. What do you mean by joints, children? Joints means the place where two bones meet. That is, ma'am will say in Tamil, okay? ரெண்டு போனும் ஒரு இடத்துல மீட் பண்ணும். அந்த இடத்துல தான் நீ மடக்க முடியும். ஓகே, அந்த இடத்துக்கோட பேர் தான் joints. Let us see some joints. Knee, K-N-E-E, knee. Knee means in Tamil we will say முட்டு. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Elbow means in Tamil we will say as mulangai. Then third one, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Wrist means we will wear watch in one place, isn't it? That place is called wrist. Next one, hip. H-I-P, hip. Hip means இடுப்பு in Tamil. Okay. Then ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Ankle means காலில் கொலுசு போடுவில்ல, that place is called ankle. Okay. Next, leave one line and write answer the following. If you don't have space, take the next page and write Roman letter 3, answer the following. Question 1. What is posture? Answer is, posture is the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. I will read again. Posture is the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. That's all, children. We have completed classwork for lesson 5, bones and muscles. Hope you will write very neatly. Dear parent, after completing, take photo of all the pages and send to edustar.2@gmail.com. Okay children, don't trouble your parents. Be safe at home. Listen whatever your parents are saying. அம்மா அப்பா சொல்கிற பேச்சு, பெரியவங்க சொல்கிற பேச்சு கேட்கணும். சரியா? Meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye குட்டீஸ்.